Hey guys, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have the peel and stick convex mirror add-ons for the Canon Spyder RT. So we partnered up with our friends over at Trick LED to bring you this, a peel and stick convex mirror add-on designed to fit directly over your factory mirrors and will drastically increase your horizontal viewing plane by up to 30% over stock. It will also allow you to see what's behind you while riding, increasing rider safety for both you and your passenger. You'll be absolutely amazed by how much more you can see once these mirrors are installed. Installation is super easy. Simply clean your OEM mirror with the provided alcohol pads, peel the adhesive backing off the new mirror, and stick the new mirror in place directly on top of the factory one. The new mirrors feature a black plastic finished edge to give your new wide view mirrors that OE look. Now, if these seem like something you'd be interested in, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a pair for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Canon Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.